creating arc is different than all other tool. So there are three type of arc you can create, and if you want to see what type of arc you can create, just press the drop down menu. You will find there are three type of arc is available. One is center point arc, tangent arc, then 3-point arc. One by one I will show you this how you can draw this three different type of arc. First I will work with center point arc. I will activate this center point arc. Then from this left hand, this icon, you will see there are 3 points you have to define. You have to define first center, then start point and end point. So first I have to select the center. I press the center. When I press the center, then I have to define the radius or diameter, anyone. So in this case it shows the radius. So first I have to define the radius as well as the arc starting point. I press the first point, and this is the first point, and when I will go like this and press the last point, that means third point, the arc will be completed. So by this way you can make the arc by using these 3 points. So I am using this again. Mention the center, then starting arc point as well as the radius, then the last point of the arc. By this way you can make this center point arc. The tangent arc works a bit different way. When I select and press this center arc, it will show please select an endpoint of a sketch segment. That means if you want to draw this type of arc, you have to you need another sketch. Without that sketch you can't make this type of sketch. So first I can create a line, and from this line I can draw that tangent arc. So I activate this tangent arc, and when I press this point, you will see there that this arc is tangent with the line. That's why it's called tangent arc. By this way you can make the tangent work, but this called tangent, but it works a bit different way. Suppose this is tangent. If I don't press here, just go to the first point, and if I go to the top, you will see this is not tangent, this is perpendicular. If I go to center, if I go to the right, you will see this is tangent but in the different direction. So although it's called the tangent, but it works a bit different way. So there are some other options is available here. So there are another type of arc. This is called 3-point arc. Normally this type of arc people use the most. For this type of arc you have to mention 3 points: first, second and third point. First and second point will control arc starting point and arc ending point. So arc starting point, then arc ending point, then third point will define arc size. So any one point I will define, and this is the arc size. So by this 3 way you can make the arc. There are another type of arc is available, that is a bit different. That option is not available here. That is called sketch auto transition. So how you can get that type of thing? Suppose I activate the line tool. When I press first, when I created my first line, when I go to the center, and when I go out from there, it shows this is tangent and this is arc. So by this way I can create the arc.